Hello everyone, this is Luti and today I want to talking about this magician with new update about this new TFLC. With this new card release, most people afraid about this card because this card is shut down your pendulum scale. You cannot activate your pendulum scale, but it also depends with how much people playing this engine and how much the consistent about this combo is. Besides of Ash Blossom, you can still get this trap with Ash Blossom. I think I think people only play one in for this card because you only need one. I think so. You have a chance to negate opponent card with your hand trap, maybe failure or impromptu opponent diabel. And when yeah, it's really important to negate this diabel because this diabel dark wits. I mean, because from this card they can set this this cycle, because I think this is the easiest way to summon this original sin, this CPLZ original sin. And but if most people play in this engine, there is two way to change this pendulum list or style. First is you can maintain Kaiju plus Pancratops plus Retribute too. I think you can maintain in these four cards. Kaiju level 7 because you can pendulum summon this if you draw this card when you going first. Pancratops is really flexible cards, and this card is also level 7, so both is level 7, and sometimes you can use it for absolute dragon material. And if this two Kumongus plus Pancratops is not enough, you can play another Kaiju, I think. But of course you need to test it out. So the idea is to tribute opponent Diabilze with this Kaiju or destroy it with Pancratops. Or you can attack this Diabilze with Pancratops, I think, because Pancratops is 26 and this Diabilze is only 25. So you can battle with Pancratops or destroy it by this Pancratops effect, or even you can maintain Retribute. The idea is to negate opponent this cycle with the Retribute, and Retribute is really strong too against like Impump or Under Trap. So the idea is to have these four cards in main deck, and if this card is not enough, you can play more card breaker, maybe Dark Rule Normal, maybe, because Dark Rule Normal is normal spell, so you can set it. And if they summon this Diabilze with cycle, they cannot activate Diabilze effect to destroy your set card. So that's why Dark Rule Normal is another choice. Impump is really bad, I think, against this Diabilze lock. Or the second choice is maintaining your own Diabel engine. So for example, play 3 wanted one this Diabel Star Dark Witch, and one this subversion, this Snake Eye, Sinful Pulse of subversion Snake Eye. The idea is try to search this card and target opponent Diable J with subversion. And because this card is quick, you can activate this in response opponent trap, or you can activate this in draw phase. But if they already have Diable J on the field, this engine is really bad, I think. Or you can move and change this wounded with Diable J. You can play your own Diable J because this monster is really easy to summon because you only need sinful spoils in opponent grave 2, so you can free summon this. And you can summon under monster, let's say Joker or something, and summon Azalea. So that's why I think Azalea is a good card against this Diable J. And it helps you to make you not control no monster, because this card will destroy it if you don't have force spell in your grave. So it means after you destroy your opponent Diable J with Azalea, you can activate. You can use Dragon Strain or Holy Burial to summon Dark Womb and start combo from there. So it depends with how much people play this Diable J engine in meta deck. So you can choose either play your own Diable J or Diable Star engine, or you can change this. You can change this with Kaiju plus Pankratops engine plus Retribute, I think. Retribute is really flexible. So the good thing about this engine, this Kaiju plus Pankratops, is this card also really good against underdeck. Pankratops is really strong. This card is mandatory in my Pendulum deck because it helps you to play around Dimensional Barrier. Retribute is really strong against trap card. Yeah, this is another option if you want to keep play Pendulum, but I think this deck is not that yet. I think you can just adapt with a new engine or a new meta, and Impulse is you can change Impulse with Dark Rule no more if you really afraid about this Diable J, and I think you can play. Okay, so I just got a new idea. You can try Mourner. I think Mourner is a good choice. Because let's say your opponent summon this Diable J with this cycle, you can just drop Mourner, I think. So Mourner is you can play 3 Mourner because I believe people will play one of its this Diable J plus cycle, but if they are the Diable J, it will bad for you. But I think this is still interesting. I think. Once when they activate cycle to summon Diable J, you can discard Mourner to target opponent Diable J. So that's the idea about it. But if they already have Diable J on the field, this card is useless. But I think it's not really useless because you can still throw your Mourner against Diable Star, so it stop opponent to like search sinful spoils or something else. So I think Mortar is better than Impem or a Valor. So maybe this list will like this. I think this Diablo engine for a Pendulum tech is really bad. I think you can keep Kaiju maybe, or you can also keep this Impem. I think the idea is to stop opponent combo with the sand trap. I think you can like do this and keep your cards as 40. Azalea is still needed in here to destroy something. Or you can change Azalea with Typhoon. Okay, Typhoon. I think Typhoon is another choice. I think it's a bit hard to use Azalea if you don't have much extender. Yeah. I think you can activate use Typhoon too. But if you use Typhoon, you cannot normal or special. So that's the under thing about Typhoon is really bad actually. I think Azalea is you can keep Azalea in here I think, but Mourner is interesting actually, and Impem is interesting too. You can keep Impem, try to stop opponent combo with it, and I think that's it. If you have other idea to try to stop opponent Diablo Z, you can comment below. But I think this is best choice. This Mourner is best choice against this Diablo Z, or you can let's say main deck Pancratops plus Kaiju plus Mourner and try to stop it with it. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.